Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the possibility of so-called villa quarantine in Thailand. And a recent article from the Bangkok Post, that's bangkokpost.com, article is titled Tourists in Phuket Under Villa Quarantine. Quoting directly, 59 wealthy foreign tourists arrived in this southern island province on Sunday night and went into, quote, villa quarantine, unquote, at the Sri Panwa Hotel, authorities said on Monday. The first group of 13 arrived at about 8:20 p.m. on a chartered Garuda Indonesia flight from Indonesia to Phuket International Airport. Quoting further, they were welcomed by Deputy Governor Pichet Panapong, Director of Patong Hospital Dr. Muanpre Bunlom, and disease control officials. So again, articles titled Tourists in Phuket Under Villa Quarantine. This one kind of snuck in under my radar. I wasn't much paying attention to this notion of villa quarantine. We've discussed and we've made a video contemporaneously with this one on Gulf quarantine, but it appears, down in Phuket, they're trying to institute this notion of villa quarantine wherein folks can stay at kind of on a sort of self-contained villa. It's not like a quarantine hotel. Got a little bit more freedom of movement. Presumably you can like go outside and see grass. You're not like confined to the pool area of a hotel. I mean, I really have heard the experiences of folks that are in these alternative state quarantine hotels. And look, there's nothing wrong with these hotels. They're perfectly fine. But people forget that when you're in a hotel, you can leave it. You know, if only to walk outside and wander around, go to a 7-Eleven, smoke a cigarette, or get a cup of coffee, or do whatever, and then go into the hotel again. You know, these places, though, when you come in for alternative state quarantine, you are pretty much in them, in those four walls, for a prolonged period of time. So this villa quarantine sort of being introduced here now, I think, to provide an alternative that's a little less constrictive for folks who also need to undergo and deal with the regulations that Thai health officials and the immigration officials have imposed with respect to foreigners coming in. We will keep you updated on the developments surrounding this as the situation progresses.